Welcome to the Beachside Villa master bedroom. I love this room. It's just so airy and open, and I had a lot of fun putting the design together for this. The nice thing about this room is we didn't have to do a lot of work to it. We did change out the floor through the entire unit, which was a very interesting thing that we looked at as well. But you know what? This was just about painting the walls, bringing in new doors, new trim, and figuring out how to arrange this in a way that it was very functional and lived large, which was our goal with this entire condo. The arrangement of this room was really key. And when we first walked in, it was pretty apparent that where they designed the bed to go was right here between the windows. However, when I had the bed placed there, it was so tight in here. There was no space to walk around the bed, certainly no space to be able to sit down and have a seating area. So I kind of went outside the norm. I put the bed over on this wall and it just opened up the room. So I want to encourage you, sometimes if you got a room that feels really tight, it might not be that you need to knock a wall out. It might be that you need to think about how to arrange the furniture in a way that gives you more space. That certainly was the case with this room. And you know what? I like to sit in here. I can imagine having a restful night of sleep. So I think that overall, with this master bedroom, we really achieved that space that is refreshing and restful.